Good morning students, welcome to English online class. Today we are seeing about grammar class. So title, articles. This lesson on starting with articles. So there are three types of articles. So what are they? We see the slides. So articles, the first one, that means first type, a or an. Second type, that means second one, the. Third type, that means third one, zero article. Before read again, remember one thing. So the articles are divided into three types, a or an. Second type, the. Third type, zero articles. So a, an, the and zero. So number one area for mistakes. So what is that? So number one area for mistakes in English grammar. Let me show you two examples. First one, I am student. Second one, she speak a very good English. First one, I am student. Second one, she speak a very good English. So, but both our sentences wrong. See that. See the example. Both our sentences wrong. You know why? First one, I am student. Second one, she speak a very good English. The article also there, but the both are sentences is wrong. The first is wrong because we forgotten his article here. It should be I am a student. So the second sentence is wrong because we added articles here. So it is not necessary. It should be she speaks very good English without the a. So this is the correct sentence. So now good news is articles are actually easy. So let's begin question number 1. So first one, difference between a and an. So the answer is a before word starting with consonant and before word starting with vowel. So remember, a before word starting with consonant and before word starting with vowel. Let's look two examples for a. So first one, a car. Second one, a red car. See the a car. First one C. Second one a red car. As you can say after a begin with consonant. So now see, let's look at two examples for an apple, an orange car. One more example, an hour. The H, the an hour, the first letter is H. H is silent. So we pronounce our not. That word is hour, not an hour, right? So that is difference between a and an. So question number 2, what is the difference between a or an and the? See the example, do you have an umbrella? And another one, do you have the umbrella? So what is the difference here? If I say to friend, do you have an umbrella? do you have the umbrella? So what is the difference? The answer is, do you have an umbrella? In general. So generally we say, do you have umbrella? But do you have the umbrella? That is the word particular object or particular things or particular person. So you use the, do you have the umbrella, a particular. Okay. Next, two more example. First one, I need to see a doctor. I need to see a doctor. Second example, I need to see the doctor. So what is the difference? A doctor. A doctor is general. So the doctor is here particular. Okay. So the quick summary, a or an is general. They're talking about general. The particular, they're talking about particular. Next, now the third type, articles. The question number 3, what is zero article? So zero articles, first one example, I love apples. I love apples. Second one, we need bread. So well, the answer is zero article. So the zero article is simply no article before the noun. So I love, there is mentioned zero including the part of the red symbol. So what is that? There is no article. So I love apples including zero. Next one, we need bread. So we need bread, there is also including the symbol of the zero, there is no article. So what we understand here, zero article is simply no article before the noun. Okay. Next, let's more examples. First one, cigarettes are bad for you. So see the noun first, cigarette. So before the zero article is symbol is there, but there is no. You understand? Cigarettes are bad for you. Second one, I don't drink alcohol. So there is also including the symbol of zero. That means article, but there is no article. Third one, love, there is a noun, but before we add zero article, but there is no article. So love is all you need. But generally we ask question here, these sentences are general or particular. So we talking about cigarettes and alcohol and love. So this one general or particular? So the answer is talking about general. So it is used a or an, not the. So common mistake is using the for talking generally. So this is generally using common mistake. Common mistake is using the for talking generally. So we take quick summary. A for an, general. Zero article, general. The, particular. So we understand the summary of the class. A or an, general. Zero article, general. The, particular. The answer is talking about general, particulars. Another one, the, general. A or an, general, and the, particulars. So that's the end of my class. So hope you understand. So we see the next part of part 2 article class. Thank you.